Man in Jamaica, I want nutshell. A long time, come on YouTube or put up any video, but if that one, me not talk about. As I try and youth, to my time when I try too much people try to feel it, see me? I'm not sure you thing now. Imagine you're work, you still can do what you want with the money, and look at next year. It turn out to be that the wrong move you make, because the person who you are around don't want you to be better than who you are. They are doing their thing, and you must just stay and observe and just follow. Like they're a leader, but not every leader out there motivate people here. Not every leader out there. You have leader would I wish you they running for 100 years and still not going away. But I can tell you this. I've been through the same situation lately, and first I have been experiencing this. Because we figure say when you help somebody, you're supposed to help you back. In which not everybody help I got return favor to you. So when me I say to you now, imagine people, me and her, own somebody for at least 10 years. Yeah, it's a good thing in working, because at least I go. But when you see yourself working and not achieving a goal you want, what you have to do? You have to try to look at next year, oh, me move on now and see me look at her. Cause problem. And you can tell you this, every youth out there, we say they can't get a work, not no go so. Because in a 2 weeks time, a two work me get. You understand? I was employed with Atlas back 2 weeks ago. And then I've left them because of disagreement and contract. But that is pending because I'm still following that lead. So I'm sure that I'm not a lazy person. Or if not everyone out there are lazy. So right now I'm telling you, every youth out there will feel like say they've no better coming always pray. You see me I say? Because I can tell you, I'm a YouTuber and it take me a good while come from YouTube because phone mash up everything crash. I'm waiting time, just go and wait till God bless me. But one thing me I beg, every people out there, don't turn your back on the people them who always be there for you. Because when it table turn to the next person to be someone respectful, you're going to be the one shame. No matter if you don't have nothing, no make nobody lead you astray. Because there are many people out there who don't know to turn left or to turn right because of no motivation. Right now, I got a work with you. I mean, I tell you this. Not even a month me doing a work right now. I'm not tell you, say, yo, this work can make me and good friends forward because I'm too ambitious. Imagine one friend I tell you, say, oh, you have to look work, I ain't work with them. Just remember this. Me no shame, I don't work with me I do right now. Because I feel like I just God tell me, say, yo, move on, look something different. And right now, I give thanks for this work when me get. I don't know how long now they are do it, but you know, work is a must. Every youth have to work, even if you work on a rubbish truck, even if you sweep a yard, still work your work. Not even the office man right now important than me. Because when me do, me more important. Because without me, place cannot be clean. We are human being. We are work right now. If a mechanic place who deal with car parts. So if you want to buy a car, you just come and you get a car. So right where I'm working is a place where it's important to many. Important to me because I can be here working as I just a little apprentice and become the number one in Jamaica. So every youth out there, I beg you, just look up Don't give up, yeah? I one nutshell. I'm just forward back on YouTube. So all of my YouTube fans them who never really see me for almost months. I just some phone difficulty. But they are punch up. So I one nutshell I'm out, you know. So remember this. Always always help the one who help you. Because if you don't do that, that you know what happen. No matter how you man reach out there, you don't know where I come from. So one uptown to the rear.